Hi friends, this is Dr. Apoorv Mehra, and I wanted to talk about a very interesting thing, the thought process. We keep thinking and analyzing what is going to happen next. And in that, we often forget that what happens next is so much connected to what you do today. Yesterday is gone. Tomorrow, you don't control. But what you have today is what will build up tomorrow. That is why it is called as a present, a gift. If you work on it, it can really make things better. Very commonly asked question. Last year, my rank was just at the bottom. Will I be improving this year? The question should be, what are you doing this year to improve it? There are always two things. One thought, this is what I should do. Second thought, this is what I should not do. I'll simplify it. Read a limited number of things more times. कम चीज़ें पढ़ो, ज़्यादा बार पढ़ो. Read them again and again. This you should do. One thing you must not do, overthinking. What is going to happen? There is a difference. The difference is in the attitude. People who qualify, they live by hours. They live by days. Then they go by weeks. Then they build on months. And then finally the result comes. It is not the end that decides the beginning. It is the beginning that decides the end. For example, make sure you have a plan for a day. Make sure you execute it. Make sure you divide your day into multiple parts and try to win majority of the times in time management. So if you have a good day, it's a chain reaction. The next day automatically becomes better. So dear friends, this video is only for one message. Today, it decides the tomorrow. Today is present. It's a gift. Utilize it properly. Set small targets, achieve them. Limited number of goals, multiple times. Trust me, if you live by discipline, even if people who are ahead of you at this time, finally you will cross the barrier earlier. And one poem which I always speak at the end of my lectures, I will club it in this lecture. तू दौड़ में अव्वल आए ये ज़रूरी नहीं, तू सबको पीछे छोड़े ये भी ज़रूरी नहीं. ज़रूरी है तेरा दौड़ में शामिल होना, ज़रूरी है तेरा गिरकर खड़े होना. ज़िंदगी में बहुत से मकाम आएंगे, आज जो आगे हैं कल पीछे छूट जाएंगे. ज़रूरी है तेरा लड़ते रहना और सबसे ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है तेरा आगे बढ़ते रहना. दिस इज़ डॉक्टर अपूर्व मेहरा. थैंक यू वेरी मच.